Welcome to SpendyTalks Guide, where we unpack if leaders are born or made. Many folks say leadership is in the blood, but research suggests otherwise. So, Dr. Collins, what do you make of this?
It's fascinating. Studies from Harvard and Stanford indicate leadership is a skill. Like playing an instrument, it involves practice and growth. Take, for instance, Oprah Winfrey. She shaped her own path, creating opportunities despite early challenges.
Certainly, her story is inspirational. However, how do we address the notion that leadership requires inherent traits like confidence or assertiveness? Can someone who's naturally introverted lead effectively?
That's an excellent point. Personality does play a role, but it's choices and consistency that prevail. Interestingly, many leaders started as shy individuals. Leadership isn't just charisma, it's also about decisions and self-awareness.
Dr. Collins, in your view, what forward-looking methods could enhance leadership training for non-traditional personalities?
Leveraging technologies like AI, we can tailor personalized leadership development programs focusing on individual strengths while fostering areas for growth. Neuroplasticity supports this, allowing the brain to adapt and develop new capabilities.
Moving forward to the essence of self-leadership, it's critical to lead oneself before others. Dr. Collins, why is self-awareness a cornerstone in this journey?
Indeed, self-awareness is vital. Without understanding your strengths and weaknesses, leading others is challenging. Reflect on Steve Jobs. He revolutionized industries but constantly sought feedback and self-improvement.
However, for those new to self-awareness, it might seem daunting. Isn't it just enough to be decisive or take action in leadership?
While action is crucial, it lacks impact without clarity of self. Consider athletes. They regularly analyze and adjust performance based on introspection. Self-leadership ensures decisions align with one's values and long-term vision.
Fascinating. As we anticipate future trends, how might self-leadership practices evolve with technology's influence?
Great question. Utilizing tech like self-assessment apps provides feedback loops for self-improvement, allowing leaders to refine and recalibrate their self-awareness consistently.
Next up, effective communication remains pivotal in leadership. Dr. Collins, how does this skill influence a leader's success?
Communication is foundational. Leaders like Elon Musk inspire through vision, clearly articulating goals. This helps rally teams around a common mission, fostering unity and progress.
True, yet communication can be seen as innate. What about leaders who struggle with clear delivery or persuasion?
Interestingly, it's a developable skill. Neuroplasticity supports this. With deliberate practice and feedback, even those lacking innate ability can enhance their communication prowess, akin to acquiring a new language.
Looking ahead, how might communication strategies adapt with innovations in digital networking?
The rise of platforms for virtual communication creates novel avenues for connection. Developing tech-based communication strategies is now integral, allowing leaders to maintain effectiveness across diverse and dispersed teams.
Finally, as we explore the future of leadership, technology continues to redefine boundaries. Dr. Collins, how do you see tech shaping leadership roles?
Technology is indeed transformative. It allows for global collaboration and real-time data analysis, enhancing decision-making and strategic planning. Look at how AI supports leaders in predicting market trends.
However, with increased reliance on tech, are there risks of losing human touch in leadership? Could this impact moral and ethical decision-making?
That's a critical issue. It's crucial to balance digital tools with human ethics and empathy. Leaders must remain grounded in values, ensuring tech complements rather than substitutes the human aspect of leadership.
Considering advancements, where do you foresee future educational initiatives for leaders?
We'll likely see a hybrid model, merging in-person mentorship with digital learning platforms, personalizing leadership development to fit diverse contexts and individual needs more effectively.